Hey gamers, is your hell let loose stuck on the press any button to continue screen? Don't worry, Genie has got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix this frustrating issue and get you back in the action. Let's dive in. Step 1. Add -DX11 to launch options. Open Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Head to your library and locate Hell Let Loose. Click the three dots next to the game title and select Manage. Under Manage, look for the Launch Options section. Enable Launch Options and type the following. Copy code -DX11, click Save and launch the game. Why this works: running the game in DirectX. 11 mode helps improve compatibility and bypasses certain bugs. Step 2. Wait for the Epic Games. Pop up after launching if the game stops at the Press Any button screen. Don't press anything immediately. Wait for a pop-up from Epic Games asking to link your account. When the pop-up appears, click Allow to link your game to Epic Games. Once linked, press any button and you should proceed past the screen. Important: if no pop-up appears, wait a few minutes. The overlay may take time to load. Step 3. Restart if stuck. If the pop-up doesn't show up or the game remains frozen, press Alt plus F4 to force close the game. Relaunch Hell, let loose, and try again. Pro tip: restarting the game can sometimes trigger the account link prompt. Step 4. Update Epic Games Launcher. If the issue persists, close Epic Games Launcher. Go to Control Panel, then uninstall a program. Uninstall Epic Games Launcher and download the latest version from the Epic Games official site. Reinstall and try launching the game again. Adding -DX11 and waiting for the account link pop-up fixes this issue for most players. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be back in the fight in no time. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Genie for more troubleshooting guides and gaming fixes. Turn on notifications for the latest tips and solutions. Happy gaming!